You know what's better than installing a VPN on every phone, TV, and laptop in your house? Well, setting it up once on your router and calling it a day. Most people don't realize it's even possible, but once you see how simple it is, you'll never bother with single device VPNs again. Now, the question is, which ones actually work well for this? Because here's the thing, a lot of VPNs claim they support routers, but only a few actually make the setup smooth and stable. PrivateVPN is a smaller provider, but it's a great choice if you're setting up a router VPN for the first time. It focuses on simplicity and security without loading you up with extra steps. The setup process is super quick. You log into your PrivateVPN account, download a configuration file for your preferred server, and upload it to your router. And once it's connected, every device on your Wi-Fi gets encrypted automatically. It supports both OpenVPN and WireGuard, so you can choose between universal compatibility or faster speeds depending on what your router can handle. And even with its smaller server network, about 200 servers in over 60 countries, PrivateVPN still performs surprisingly well. Speeds are steady, it easily supports HD and 4K streaming without any buffering. Privacy is also handled really well here. PrivateVPN has a strict no logs policy, uses strong encryption, and even offers port forwarding for users who want a bit more control. Now, it doesn't have the same level of customization as PIA or the plug-and-play setup of ExpressVPN, but it's dependable and affordable. So if you want something that's easy to set up and just works, then PrivateVPN is a solid start for sure. Everything on your Wi-Fi will stay private, encrypted, and ready to stream without restrictions. So stop wasting time installing VPNs on every single device. Just put it on your router and cover your entire home at once. To see how easy it is to get started, watch our step-by-step guide, which walks you through everything you need to know from setup to testing your connection. Thanks so much for watching vpnMentor, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart, practical ways to stay secure online, and we'll see you in the next video.